What is in the box? And what is all of the hype about this One Funnel Away challenge? In this video, I'm going to share with you the unboxing of the One Funnel Away challenge box and give you some reasons why you should participate in the next challenge. Welcome to my channel. My name is Rhonda Melody and I am a systems strategist. It is my goal to protect your most valuable asset, your time. I do that by developing tools and resources that will help streamline your business and life processes. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I go live with a new video every Tuesday. So a little over 2 months ago, I took the advice of one of my team members, took the plunge and invested $100 in the One Funnel Away challenge. Guys, I know that we have all invested $100 on, let's face it, crap in our business. This, I can't even begin to tell you, the most amazing challenge and the best $100 that I have ever invested in the 16 years that I have been in business. I can't wait to share with you the unboxing of the One Funnel Away challenge box. Here we go. So we are unboxing the One Funnel Away challenge. This is one component, just one really small component of the entire challenge. So for more information, make sure you go to the description and click on the link there for information about the challenges and then the bonuses that I am offering to participate with me in the challenge. So let's open the box. Now, the first thing that I love here is, and I will move the camera up so you guys can see this. So your training officially begins now. Now you're going to get this box as they move into the challenge, okay? But I love this. To each there comes a lifetime special moment when they are figuratively tapped on the shoulder and offered the chance to do a very special thing, unique to them and fitted to their talents. What a tragedy if that moment finds them unprepared or unqualified for that which could have been their finest hour. This really is a great summary because this challenge is so impactful in so many different ways. Your aha moment is going to be different from my aha moment, but I can guarantee like this is the best $100 I've ever invested. And I've been in business now for 16 years and counting. So let's go ahead and take a look at what is in the box. So I'm going to just move the camera there. Now, one of the things that originally started with this before the challenge even started was that Russell had a challenge that he put out there to several entrepreneurs that said, you know, if you lost everything in 30 days, what would you do? And so I love this book. It is, and it's a funny picture, look at that, funny picture of Russell there, $100 bill, right? So if you lost everything in 30 days, like how would you go about building your business all over again? It's a hardback book. It's a really nice book, guys. And when you open up, the thing that I love is that this is everything from high ticket coaching, the funnel, application video funnel, e-commerce, the Dream 100, starting as a service provider, mid-range info product launch, so fundraising for nonprofits, service packages via LinkedIn, sales funnels on Instagram, live events. It is really like everything in here, affiliate marketing, mind mapping, Facebook Live Summit, coaching packages, teaching a masterclass, high ticket sales via webinars, ebook launch. So really everything that you can imagine in terms of like a niche to start your business, what he did is he reached out to all of these folks and they each wrote a chapter. And it literally goes step by step by step, as you can see the blueprint here. This alone, I mean, it's an amazing book and it is part of the One Funnel Away challenge and you will receive it here in your box. Okay, so that's one thing. Then you have to understand the way that the challenge works. So every single day, what happens is that you're going to get a mission. So you'll get instruction from Russell. That instruction can be anywhere between 15 to 30 minutes. Sometimes they're 45, but very rarely. It's between 15 to 30 minutes. And so you'll have your task that you'll complete for that day. Then you'll also every day, typically Monday through Thursday, although he has been doing Monday through Friday. Stephen Larson, who started at ClickFunnels, built funnels for 2 years, he is live coaching the community on that particular mission for that day. And then if there's any type of tech or demo, then Julie Stowen, who's also a funnel builder, a digital marketer, she will come in and she will either have a recorded session or she does offer some live Q&A sessions. But you have to implement every single day. That is the thing. I mean, if you were to be given the challenge to start something, to have a product from start to finish in 30 days, more than likely, you're probably not going to accomplish that goal. Everyone needs a deadline. I have seen this in my business for 16 years and counting. And so you have to be implementing, you have to be doing every single day. So at the very end of the challenge itself goes away. So you don't have access to the content anymore. But here in this particular little box, you get an MP3 player. And this is the information. This is all of the challenge, all 30 days. So these are Stephen's recordings, Russell's recordings. So you will have access to the recording. So it's right here. This is from the very first One Funnel Away challenge. Okay. So we have that. And then here in the box, now each day you are going to get a workshop, not a workshop, you're going to get a worksheet. But what they've done here, and you can certainly go through and photocopy, print out every single day. But then they give you this nice bound, this is the challenge every single day. So you can go back through and you can have an original copy. So you'll actually have this. So customize and execute your 30-day plan. If you're like me, homeschool for 10 years, when I get something like this, I make photocopies of all of this, right? So I can just reuse it and continue to create notes. Because really what you're doing is you're getting a system that you can implement over and over and over and over again, okay? So you do get this worksheet as well. And then what they're doing here is they're just showing some information about the 2 Comma Club. I mean, these are obviously folks that are successful funnel builders. They have generated $1 million in sales in 12 months. And so they're just going to show you the information. They're going to show you what the value ladder is. Now, if you don't understand what this is, they go over this during the challenge. So they'll go over all of this. Hit russellsbooks.com expert, and then Traffic Secrets is what is coming soon. But here are the folks that are actually doing the challenge. Of course, Russell Brunson, Julie Stowen, and then Stephen Larson, who does the live coaching calls every single day. And it just goes through and it just talks about, the different aspects of the 2 Comma Club throughout the whole thing. And I kind of laugh here at this, I'm a homeschooling soccer mom. So when I look at this, I mean, a Rolls Royce really isn't my dream car. Right now we're riding, we call her Flo. She just turned 300,000 miles. She is a 2001 Ford Excursion, and my husband can fly jets. So, but I am making this challenge. I am making this content. I am making funnels work for me in my business, and how I want to make an impact on women's lives who I know how important it is to carve out a space for them to, pick up those soccer fees, pick up those dance fees, to, have an affiliate marketing funnel, to launch an offer that they've always wanted to do. Just, impact them in a way that I have been impacted. Again, you're looking at this particular challenge, $100. It's 30 days. Information can be found in the description. Just click on that link. Once you go there, you're going to be directed to registration. Now, if you click on the link with my link, you will be getting access to my private group, which it's a small group, which I love because I'm able to go in and answer questions that you may have on a daily basis. We do live coaching calls. I'm also going to share a funnel with you, as well as a complete ClickFunnels tech tutorial. I wish I would have had that when I started. When I put my first funnel together, oh my goodness, I spent about $1,500, and I'm not even using that today. I have learned so much in 2 years and would really love to share your aha moments in the challenge. So just make sure you go to the description and click on the link. If you found this video helpful, show me some love and tap on the heart below and leave a comment. If you want to join a community of women just like you, please click on the link to join Strategy by Design, my private Facebook group where I share free workshops and guest experts each month to help you build an irresistible and profitable online presence.